Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another project. We're here in spring and I'm going to talk about what we're doing here. So we started with demo. Here in the kitchen, and we're making some really great changes here. As you can see, the island is going. We are going to be building a very large custom island for this client. New flooring. Now for the cabinetry, they really liked the layout, so we're keeping the majority of the cabinetry. And we can walk over here. We have some adjustments that will be happening on the lower cabinets as far as adding drawers, taking out doors. That's going to be more functional for her. And here in these two sections of cabinets, we're going to be giving her glass doors, so then that way she can display anything that she likes in there, and it's going to give her a really nice extra touch. We have a really beautiful backsplash going in and new countertops. And I want to also show you then the next part of the house that we're going to be doing, and that's the master bathroom. So let's head over there.